Lababski! Happy Saturday! Welcome back sa ating YT channel na Miss Il's Diary. Okay, diba? Ngayon ay day off ng inyong Inday N. So, tayo ngayon ay magkakaraoke. So, dyan lang kayo mga Lababski. Makinig lang kayo sa tugtog. Huwag na sa boses ko. Tsaka huwag niyong pansinin yung mga juting johok ko. Kasi jumojonda ng inyong Inday N. Okay? Dyan lang kayo mga Lababski. Enjoy! Start na natin. What the fuck? Kantahin natin ngayon ay Killing Me Softly. And hello, mic test. O, diba? Pag ganun-ganun pa tayo. Sa natin konti.
I heard he sung a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.